Politics.
It's the Device Hour with Cody Ko.
Yeah. Just come on. Ah! Ah! Oh, dude, it's my brother. Oh my God. Anywhere. Oh, bro. Ah! You throw it at the library. Is what you get. Boom. We have a quote.
I can't. All right, well, just let me just do it. Okay. Is that you opening a door?
Yeah, it's me opening a door. Okay, bye.
You're gonna fart or something.
Like, all right, great meeting. Oh, fuck.
Be like,
Twin turbo. You thought, hell no, I was kissing on the way up.
Like this, where I was like, "Hey, I'm sorry about mentioning vegans. It's just a thing."
Boop.
But it's
he went reset and just hit the ground. It was just like, you're like, oh, he's dead. He's fucking dead. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Boom. And then he falls asleep and they're like, oh, thank God. What the fuck is your problem? Boom. That's when you get the two-piece. Bing, bing. Yeah. Reset. Boom.
revert back to what you've been doing for the past 4 years. You know what I mean? Same everything.
Oh,
I'm about to.
Because they're constantly around like those.
Yeah.
Put your fucking hands. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Swatted.
Oh, fuck.
Rolls under the stall.
Oh, my God.
Fuck. Flashbang.
He's just like, oh, thank you so much.
Okay.
Yep. Crypto Money with Noel Miller.
Yeah. Spraying against the wall. You're taking off your pants.
Yeah, I'm like, oh, Jesus.
Yeah. Better the wall than my pants.
Ooh. Get naked. Bing, bing.
Bing.
Bing, bing. Like, y'all watching this? Nah, this how you suck it. All right.
Can go.
Yeah.
Dude, yesterday.
You won't fuck it up twice. Oh my God, he's shooting us through the phone. I'm going to get this fucking Wingstop. Cypher, slow down. You're going to crash. Now I got to get these wings. This is how you live on the land, Sav.
It's, yeah.
Today we're going to chop some firewood. You never know what's behind the wood. That's not a book. That's a gun.
Racism alert.
Racism alert. This is the most racist podcast on earth. Racism 24/7. Yeah, dude. And you know what I think would be really cool if we just fucking oh my God. Bro, what did we Hey, yeah. Sure.
And he like sent it out to everyone. And we're like, yo, this is the coolest shit ever.
Oh my God.
You got
I can spell your name. Clarissa. I'm gonna make a picture of us. Hold on. Disgusting.
You're like, when you get those two mixed up, it's like
you're like,
yeah.
Yeah, dude, catch you later.
Oh my God, dude, that's so fucking sick.
Tundra. Yeah, just off-roading.
Yo, what kind of fucking car is that, pussy?
and like just.
Oh right, yeah. Yeah. Snow, sand, decimate your enemies. This is not a drill.
Out a flashlight, put a dental dam on it. Just clink, clink, cleaning plates. Oh! I crumpled the kid. Or like, I don't know. She's like, baby, I'm a... and I'm like, don't ever...
No, the dicks were on the mic.
Look at this corny ass piano.
Yeah, when the bras snap.
He's like,
Love the
do the face. Do the fucking face. Harder.
Come on, no.
Fuck this white film, go super.
Okay.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
It's school. Are we okay? Everyone's like, yeah, we're good. Okay. Drift to the beach.
So, yeah, I don't understand. Who?
Just one dude at the third lane, just fucking. Fucking alien crawled out.
Out. Like a broken sprinkler.
We're going in for 680.
Like sneezing. Fluid pouring out of everything.
So just all over the bottom of his chin.
Oh, God. Ow.
Do you want to get into the country? Fix your fucking face.
Oh God.
Oh, fuck. Whoa. Where am I? Hello? Tink. The heaviest flow out of his mouth.
Your girl's a hoe and you should notice. She got her cans out begging like she homeless. You need to pay dues, this a notice. Mike feeling like ice, I'm the coldest.